stand right there for me, kiddo. Oh, bring down, pass.
Come on, Patrick.
On it.
Stay with it. Yeah, Patrick.
All right, fellas, show us your injuries. What do we got? All right,
Wire.
that's cable cuts.
Cable, yeah.
Welcome to the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show.
Come on, let it down.
I'm so grateful.
Patrick, you're on track, dude. I don't think you're gonna land that. If you land it, that's a bigger job.
Oh my god.
No, he's got to be there.
No,
if he backs
doesn't
up,
fall in, it's a...
he's not going to be able. If you don't get on the edge.
Should I fix the rope?
No, the rope's good.
Alright, what if the...
Wait. You don't have to worry about the rope unless you
What is it called when the dude...
Awesome.
Patrick's trying to get a Goliath Grouper with no spotter.
Alright, this is Patrick.
Capt Ben Chancey.
Trying to bring
Mr.
up Goliath all by himself.
Me?
No help. It's never been done before.
It's never been done.
All right, so I've never had somebody come out on the boat and battle Goliath Grouper all by themselves.
Have you?
Without needing help, without needing a spot. And today I got a 13-year-old.
Yep.
I got a 13-year-old says he's going to do it. And he's been talking some smack. And I don't usually do this. But today I'm going to do it. I tied the rod off. I got him in the back by himself. And let's see what happens. I might see some World Star hip hop right here.
Oh, World Star?
I've been on World Star a couple times.
Yeah? Yeah, bro, this could be on Hook Clip. Let's get on Barstool. This could be on Jerry of the Day. Let's get on Barstool. You should say Saturday Skiffs.
This could also be on bloopers, depending on how you do.
Well, World Star is kind of a blooper thing.
Alright, I will.
Alright, we're moving right over to the big ones.
Big ones? There you go. I'm scared for him.
Yeah, me too. Patrick, I don't know what you're on, man.
This is gonna set me straight. He wouldn't do this if he had a choice, would you? What?
Oh, he did have a choice.
I had a choice. I chose
was
it.
not talk smack. Look at all them bait, boy. You know there's some big fish down there.
Oh.
Where are they at?
Oh, them just got scared by something. Darted.
Here they come, right up here.
I don't think there's any way that I could be able to hold fish without Chancey.
Absolutely not.
Here we go.
Time.
It's about to happen. There we go. See them right there? They're on top. Or they're not on top, but look right there. Look. See them?
Oh, wow. That's
Yep.
a big one. That's a
There it
big one.
goes. Hey, what's that brown spot in your pants?
Oh, yes.
There we go. Oh, down already. Come on, put it back down. Let's go, big dog.
Patrick, I saw a big one.
You got it, Patrick.
Give us some more line.
What?
Yeah.
Alright, we're restarting. False start. There's several big ones all around.
Oh my god.
I want my son to do well, but that man's gonna learn.
That's Dad over there. He's giving him some experience.
Are you on live, Chancey?
No.
You ready, Pat?
Oh,
You got one?
Came off again?
You're doing good getting low.
Did you lose your bait?
Nah, he got big. See how low you're keeping your rod tip? That's bad.
You want him next to the boat?
I want you. Yeah. We'll see what happens. Is you see.
Yeah, you're right. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Keep it
No
on the boat.
spotter. Oh no.
You got it. Stay with it.
No spotter.
Stay with it. No spotter. Come on, Patrick.
On it.
Stay with it. Stay with it.
Got to get it off the boat, man. You're gonna break it. Come on.
Keep your position. Keep your position. You got it.
Come on.
You got it.
Go, hold on to the rod, baby. Quit letting go of the rod. Hold on to the rod. Don't let go of the rod. Don't lose the rod.
Oh my god. They're fighting the
Reach
fish.
down to get the rod, man. Come on.
They're
Reach
fighting
down to get the
fish.
rod.
You still got it. Go. Don't let him beat you. Don't let him beat you. got him. You got him. You got him.
You gotta pull. Come on. Get the rod. Split the rod over. Come on. Turn the rod.
Turn over.
Get the rod off the deck.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, talk smack now. Listen. Come on. Talk smack. Let's go.
This could be number 5 on the day, right?
The route.
No, I feel like moving. Go. Come on.
Have some water?
No, you're getting all fight. There's
Pour some water on it.
There's no timeouts. Come on. Get off the boat. Get off the boat. You gotta break the rod. Get off the boat. Come on. Patrick, I swam in the water with this rod back to the boat. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. No jerks. Jerks don't get you anywhere. Lift. Come on.
Get mad, Patrick.
Come on.
Don't let it beat the chicken butt.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, lift. Come on.
Got it. There you go.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go.
You're doing a good job. Good effort, my man. Go, come on.
You got it.
Might be getting somewhere.
You got it. Patrick, you got it. No, you got it. Don't fall in. You got it.
Yeah, don't fall.
Okay, get on the other side. Get on the other side. Some water? Yes. You got it, Patrick. Don't let him beat you.
You giving up, man?
Use your legs. Use your legs.
He is not giving up.
Respect, Patrick.
You got it? You got it?
Ah!
Unreal.
38 are for the boys!
Come on. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh, there she is.
No way. You really did.
Oh my God, she landed it. Landed it.
Yep.
Oh.
Easy now.
Look at that, about 200 pounds.
That's a big one. Come on.
And he wanted Blackie. Hold the rod for him.
Good night.
What do you think, Pops? Lesson learned?
Lesson learned. 200 pounder. Look at this.
Barely landed like a 325.
So, hey, if you guys ever want to come out on a chew on this charter and you think you're going to step up and you're going to land one by yourself with no help, I know he's only 13, but he fished really good today. But he just didn't know what was going to happen to him.
I am respect.
But he did good. He fought hard. I liked it. I ain't mad at him. He did good. He's the first one to step up. He didn't want my help, although I had to help him, but he didn't want it, and I like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Chew on This, because that was pretty awesome. We'll have a pretty good title with this one, too.
Oh,
There he goes.
Watch out for the spike.
He's in.
Bro, this is like a 2-minute fight. Oh no!
Oh.
Alright.
That's brutal.
Dude, I like it. I like the effort. I like you weren't scared to do it.
Give me a little hug.
You got it.
I can
Do it.
Alright, give me a second. I gotta switch over to phone. Alright, to
Come up. Just head up. Dad, why don't you catch it for now? Your turn.
Me?
We're eating lunch first.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Hold your rod up a little bit. Hold your rod up. Hold your rod up.
Yeah, the audience too, Pat.
Those are good ones.
All right, Lewis, you girl watching?
What?
Hey,
GoPro?
check the rod. No.
Oh.
Can I stay in for a little longer?
We're lost. What you need to do?
That was good stuff, wasn't
What?
it?
So you made me have the rod? Can one of you guys take the rod?
You know I like you, right?
Oh, I know.
You know I like you. He gives you a hard one. You
One of
like
you take
that.
the rod?
Chancey, come in.
Huh?
Come in.
No.
I
Next
can't
one.
believe you. I can't believe you. That's a first. That's a first.
Wait. You realize you didn't catch it without help, right?
True.
Okay. But you're the first person your age
Let's go, baby.
to even try it or think about it. So you are a first.
Yes.
But there's still never been someone come out. It just ain't gonna happen.
I thought that was gonna happen actually.
You thought.
This was the perfect size one to do it.
Yeah, this would have been the one to do it.
Bro, if you had Big Black, oh my. If I had Big Black, I would have died.
100 pounds more and you would have been. You would have. Yeah, I would have been bad.
All right, let's all try to get Big Black after lunch.
Let's get Big Black.
See, I like.
That was murder.
It was a poor story.
That was.
You know what? You were
It
fine.
makes a good channel.
It is. That's good, dude. Trust me. I'm like, this is good
Are you
video.
gonna put all this on the channel?
This is good video.
Captain Chancey, are you gonna put all this on the channel?
Huh? Yeah, eventually. I won't get to it. I won't edit it because I'm still here, still working. But yeah, it'll make it. It's got to be fun, you know. You got to do something crazy.
That was so fun.
That was good effort, my man. I'm proud
I
of
almost cried.
you.
You hear me?
That was good effort.
I want to try to get one like with the help of Chancey. The most on that one.
Good work, dude. We gotta get you in the gym.
Patrick, I'm gonna be in the. I'll be in the gym before next time.
Add that on the bowl and film, bro.
Patrick.
Let's go. I don't even care about the video this time. It's just.
That was fun.
Give me a.
Let's go.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, girl, shut up.
Yes.
Yeah, look at all the blood. That's people blood. All right, fellas, show us your injuries. What do we got? All right, we
Wire.
got cable cuts.
Arctic cable, yeah.
Grouper
And
rash.
We got a Goliath Grouper rash.
Right there. Huge bruise.
Oh, your knees. You guys got knees.
Oh yeah, I got in the
We
spike
got
right there.
A spike on the knee.
Cut on the knee.
Probably gonna have to be amputated.
We got cuts. These guys were in 100% today. That's the kind of commitment we like to have. Awesome work. Hey, 13, 13, and 14. That's a great job. Ouch. Yeah, I don't care.